Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix slow download speed in Battle.net. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to search here, search bar, and then you need to just write view network connections. And after you do so, you should see all the network connections that you have here. For me, it's Ethernet here, and I just need to click on it, and you should see this little pop-up menu, and then you need to go to properties, and then you need to go to configure and go to advanced, and then scroll down until you see receive buffers, and on value just make it maximum as possible. So as you can see here, press the arrow up, and if the numbers do not changing, you are on the maximum value here. Press apply, okay, close. And another thing that you can do here is to change DNS servers to Google and try it out if you have a better download speed or not. So you just need to go again on internet here, right click on it, or other network connection that you're using, I don't know, and go to properties, and then you just need to press on Internet Protocol version 4, and then on general you need to just select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server just write 8.8.4.4. Press OK, and then you just open up Battle.net and try download something, and you need to look if you're getting better download speed or not. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.